Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to today's Luna Classic video update for Thursday 4th of August. Now Luna is doing something amazing here. Really good. This is something that I wanted to see, okay? You've broken a particular resistance and you actually went up, make a bullish closing, came down, and you still are closing above that what was previously resistance, because on a daily time frame, yeah, if you look at it this way, you had the resistance there, resistance here, resistance there, resistance there, pushed to the upside, came for the retest, made the wick down, but you ended up closing above that line, right? And then not only one time, but you're pretty much doing it two times. So there's a good chance that perhaps today you might even see Luna Classic go back up to 1049, and then you continue to move higher from here. You actually could be even on the verge of reversing to the upside. Now let's dive into the 4-hour time frame, because that's where you're going to look at it way more in a visible manner right now. So what I'm going to do is remove all the drawings right here, and you can already see it's just that inverse head and shoulder that you're holding right now. You're holding that inverse head and shoulder like a boss. So this left shoulder, the head here, the right shoulder broke to the upside, came down, you're holding the retest, and you're still good to actually move to the upside. So you can even say that it can actually go back to this level again, and that's the technical target with inverse head and shoulder, which is going to be 11740 up to the upside. So one more thing that I want to point out quickly before I close this quick update on Luna Classic is that you don't want to come down and take this wick, okay? So if you do take down the wick, which is going to be 9398, that's going to be really bad, and you do know that it loves to go up after making the wick. So anytime it makes the wick, it pushes to the upside. Anytime you make the wick, it actually pushes to the upside. You made the wick down here, push to the upside. Did you see that? You made the wick down here, push to the upside. You made the wick down there, push to the upside. Another wick down, push up, wick down, push up, wick down, push ups, wick down, push ups again, wick down, push up, wick down, pushed back up. So that means that at the current situation, you don't really want to get out of this wick again. If you do actually get out of that wick, then that's going to be pretty much a very bad situation for us to say that we're going to move higher. But on the daily, that's amazing, because you're just making the doji. And let me tell you one thing about the doji before I close the video, is that dojis right on a support level is a good sign, okay? And if you actually even do, as a matter of fact, you don't need that much of a stop loss. You actually need a little bit of the highest part of the stop loss, okay? So 9739, you don't want to come to 9739 and taking this candlestick out. You start to take that candlestick out, that's going to be really bad. So you want to stay above here, and there's a little bit of a trend line kicking in as well. So you can already see that from there to there, we're making that trend line, just a little bit of that trend line coming in. So that's amazing, right? And that's it for today's update on Luna Classic. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.